You have come far seeking wisdom, Bobby. Old enough to drive are you now? But much is there to learn about your craft and responsibilities before a jet ski master may you become. Today, we begin. A boat, not a toy, is your craft. Outmaneuver others it will. Read and understand the owner's manual. Learn the rules of navigation and their signs. And Bobby, modify your craft not, or loud and annoying may it become. Indulge not in alcoholic beverages before you ride, for alcohol and jet ski watercraft do not mix. Courtesy for those on the beach and in the water must you have. Use common sense, for the power of this craft is nothing to be trifled with. Harass neither the fisherman nor the fish, for both scare easily, and a scared fish is prone to desperate acts. A safe distance from all boats must you keep. Study the rules of the water and know the local law. For it is often said that a close call is no way to make friends. Now, Bobby, to the water we go. Only those who are old enough to drive may take this plunge, for many ways to handle a jet ski watercraft are there to learn. Properly maintained and registered should your jet ski be. Display the numbers clearly, you must. No matter where you ride, vigilant must you be for others who share the water. Learn well the controls and features of each craft you ride, and master the techniques of starting and riding in deep water as well as shallow. Room to stop must you always have. Cut your engine at least 10 feet from shore. And remember, Bobby, those who would learn to ride also must learn to fall. A safe and uncrowded practice area is your best choice. Steering and body position work together to control your turns. Learn to use momentum and balance. The more you ride, the better you become. For it is said, Bobby, that practice makes perfect, and when you achieve perfection, nothing is impossible. Much have you learned, great skill have you attained. Now the garments of a jet ski master may you wear. Carry them always, study the manual, and Bobby, may the good times always be with you. Inconsiderate have you been, ridden responsibly have you not. Now pay the price you must. Forgetful I become. Tell you a most important thing I did not. Bobby, hear me well. One does not live by jet ski watercraft alone. Leave you with one last thought I must. Forget not your state boating regulators, local boating authorities, and user groups, and of course your Kawasaki dealer. Much information do they have for you who would become the safe and knowledgeable master of a jet ski watercraft.